Hi, Mary O'Broy.
Hi, I'm Amrit Singh.
Amrit, we do know that Silicon Valley can be super expensive. It's an expensive place to live in. However, a lot of people don't realize that there are still opportunities out there for first-time home buyers. For instance, this property that we have coming on the market, it happens to be in San Jose, close to all the companies that you might work for, Facebook, LinkedIn. So what do you think, Amrit?
Yeah, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, little over 1,200 square feet property. We're right across this beautiful park. We're so close to the airport. We're close to Santana Row. We're close to a lot of beautiful restaurants, right? So this is a really good starter home.
Yeah, let's take a tour.
Thank you for taking the tour.
And as you saw, such a beautiful property. And if you have any questions, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us anytime. We'll see you soon.